morning to everybody. This is Ian on Jean Truelove Quilts for You on Sunday the 24th. And although most of you probably know the Truelove family don't celebrate the traditional holidays, we certainly wish you all a happy get together with your families. And if you're traveling, we trust you'll be very careful and travel safe. I thought I'd just take this opportunity. I'm just about to go to one of our Kingdom Hall meetings, but I said to Jean, I really appreciate the hard work that you do on Jean Truelove Quilts for You, and here is an exemplary condolence email from Jennifer and Steve in Iowa. As you probably know, my younger brother died a week or so ago. We have a hope for the future, so our sadness is tempered by a hope in better times to come. Anyway, Jennifer and Steve said, praying peace and strength for you and your family. And this is just so lovely what Jennifer and Steve said. Thank you for all the videos you so graciously make with Jean. Having you and Maxwell involved is really a delight for us viewers. I appreciate Jean. Her teaching is so easy and precise. She is truly an inspiration and has such a big heart. Sincerely. Anyway, I want to thank innumerable, actually, lots of emails, lots of messages have been coming. Condolence message about the death of my brother, and we want to thank you. But most importantly, what I have behind me here is an example of one of Jean's fabulous creations. I'm her biggest fan, I think, although reading some of these emails, you love her too, which is wonderful. Anyway, please be safe, enjoy your family get together, and see you soon. Ian at Jean Truelove Quilts for You, signing off now. Jean? Where are you, Jean?